Clase, vamos a ver la página 185. We're going to be on page 185. And this is describing physical and emotional states, expressions with tener. Basically, in English, quite often we would say, I'm cold, I'm hungry, I'm scared. In Spanish, they have quite a few that you wouldn't say I am whatever. You would say I have fear or I have hunger. It means the exact same thing as it does in English, only we're saying I have versus I am. Okay. Basically, you're going to conjugate tener with whatever pronoun it is you're talking about. So if you're talking about I am cold, you're going to say tengo frío. If you're talking about you informal are cold, you're going to say tienes frío. If you mean he is cold, you're going to say él tiene frío. Do you see how I'm conjugating tener with the correct pronoun? You're just conjugating tener. And then you're going to use the correct noun afterwards. Okay, so if you wanted to say I am hungry or I have hunger, you would say tengo hambre. There's just a list of those words on 185. You just have to memorize them basically. So for example, we're going to use, yeah, I know it's backwards, but the pronoun chart. Okay, so yo, tú, él, nosotros, ellos. So here's my picture, and if I wanted to say he has cold or he is cold, I'd say tiene frío. If I wanted to say we are hungry using this picture, I would say tenemos hambre, right? Tenemos plus hambre. Okay, and then let's say you want to say she is right. Tiene razón. Ella tiene razón. This says right with the check mark. If you can't read it, kind of forgot, things go backwards on the computer. Okay, and this guy's crashed out in front of his computer. So I'm going to say they are tired or they have sleepiness. Tienen sueño. Ellos tienen sueño. Okay, so basically you just have to memorize the phrases that are there on page 185. Ah, I made one more picture. Good for me. It is a 4-leaf clover. So think to yourself how I would say you formal are lucky or you have luck. If you said usted tiene suerte, you would be correct. So just practice those and memorize them.